Alright, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Salatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah. Okay,
Sign
so
in again. Hold on, I'll sign in. Okay. I did.
okay, so last class we talked about lesson 3, right? We were on lesson 3 or chapter 3, but we didn't complete it because it's a little long. So we talked about L, right? The. We started the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anything with the, alif lam, and then we put one dam at the end. So for example, al-baytu. That's the house. And if we want to say a house, baytun, as we see right here, baytun. Okay. So I said I'll skip this because I'll explain it in my own way when we get to the chapter. All right, so then we also learned what? The blank is blank, right? So we see right here, the door is open. The pen is broken, right? The blank is blank, right? So the door is open. Al-babu maftuhun. Al-babu maftuhun. So the first one has one dhamma, and the second one has dhammatain, two dhammas. The pen is broken. The blank is blank. Al-qalamu maksurun. All right. Is that clear so far? Any questions? Does anyone have any questions?
No.
Okay. So, all right. Did anyone do the homework? I only see one.
I put it on the
Yeah, we did.
I sent it on the WhatsApp. I did mine on the WhatsApp.
Yeah, I
Okay.
sent mine on the WhatsApp.
Okay. So I'll check it out today, inshallah. Sorry about that, and I will get back
That's
to
okay.
whoever put it.
I did it.
Did anyone review the vocabulary?
Yeah.
I did, but I don't remember. It's a lot of
All of
words. Yeah,
It's okay.
A lot of words, yeah.
Yes, no
I
problem.
can't
No problem.
remember
It's
all
okay.
of them.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. Okay, because this is a big chapter, so there's a lot of vocabulary. All right, so let's go into chapter 3. So we started chapter 3, correct?
Yes.
We did some of this. We read all this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so exercises, we'll skip this. This is really supposed to be for homework. I could do some of this now. It's okay. I'll do it. So they're asking to put the last vowels. Okay. So look, they didn't write any of the vowels for each one. So look, masjid. What should be the last one? Anyone know?
Masjidun. Masjidun.
Yes, very good. Masjidun. A masjid. Al masjid. What should be the last one here?
Do. No?
Yeah.
Al masjid. Good. Next one, al ma.
Al-ma'u.
Al-ma'u. Al-ma'u. Why u? Because there's alif lam. Next one, ma. There's no alif. Ma'un. Good. Very good. Okay, so I think we all understand this. Inshallah.
Ma is water now.
Right. Ma is water.
Yeah, it's page 19.
Okay. So read and write. Let me see. This is really supposed to be This is really supposed to be for homework. But let me see. Should we do? Okay, we can read it. We could do it together. Okay, we could skip anything is repetition or is anything that's easy. I'll just read it out, or we could just skip it. No problem. Okay, so let's read and translate together. Fazia, number 1, can you read and translate this?
Bismillah. Al-maktabun maksurun.
Al-maktabu.
Al-maktabu maksurun. The
Good.
mosque is open?
No.
Maksurun is broken.
Maktabun. First, what is maktabun?
It's mosque.
No.
No, that's the desk. The desk is broken.
Yes,
The
good.
writing desk is broken.
Right, good. That's good.
Maktabu, yes,
Al-maktabu,
writing
the
desk.
desk,
Is broken.
is broken. Good. All right. So all of this right here is the blank is blank. So you see the
Oh.
desk is
Mhm.
broken. The blank is blank. Okay, very good. Zarina,
Yeah, did I
this
read
one.
out?
This one, sorry, this one. This is number 2 here. This one.
Okay. Al Mudarsun.
Mudarri.
Doris. Al Mudaris. Jadidun.
Good.
Yeah, Mudaris. Jadidun is new, right?
Yes.
New. Jadidun is Mudaris is Mudaris the teacher.
Yes,
Mudar-
yes.
The teacher.
Yes. So what would the
Mudarris.
sentence be?
The new teacher.
All of this right here is the blank is blank. Okay? So let's do this sentence together. The first one, what is the first one?
The teacher.
Okay.
The teacher.
Mudarsu.
Doris.
Mudarsu.
Mudarrisu.
Mudarrisu.
Good.
Jadidu.
What page are we on? Sorry.
19.
19.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
19. Okay.
Okay, so the first one, the teacher. Now let's complete the sentence.
All
The
right.
teacher is new.
Right. The teacher is new.
Jadidun.
See, the first one, al-mudarisu. Al-mudarisu is the teacher. There's like an invisible is here. There's no is in Arabic here. Al-mudarisu, the teacher, is jadidun, new. So all of this here is the blank is blank. That's all what we're doing for right here. Okay? Al-mudarisu, jadidun. The teacher is new. All right? Okay, next one, Halima. This one.
Which one? Show me again.
This one right here.
Okay. Al-kasi kamisu, the blouse. Al-kamisu wasijun.
Wasikhun.
The blouse.
Wasikhun.
Wasihun.
Yes.
Wasihun. The
Wasikhun.
blouse is wasihun. Hun.
Yes.
Wasihun.
Yes.
The blouse is. I'm not sure what wasihun is.
Okay, who can
I'm
help
not
her?
sure
Who
what
knows?
wasihun.
Anyone know here? Anyone would like to help her?
Dirty. Dirty.
Dirty, unclean.
Dirty.
Wasikhun is dirty. So the sentence.
The blouse is dirty.
Good.
Al-kamisun wasihun. The blouse is dirty.
Good, but remember al-qamisu.
Al-khamisu wasihun.
Good. Very, very good.
Al-khamisu wasihun.
Very, very good. The blouse is dirty or the shirt is dirty. Okay? Very, very good.
Thank you.
Everyone be careful with this the alif lam. Sometimes we say al-qamisun, we say the but remember it's only one u sound. Al-qamisu, al-mudarisu, al-maktabu. Okay? Very good. Okay, Kauthar, next one, number 4, this one.
Al-banu.
Laban.
Al-laban. Laban. Baridun. Milk is cold.
Al-labanu baridun. Baridun.
Where it is?
Number 4.
Number 4.
Kauthar, can you please repeat
Barid.
down?
Al-banu. Labanu Baridun. Baridun is cold or
Cold. Good.
cold,
So
right? Milk, the cold. The
so
milk is cold.
yes, very good. The milk is cold. اللبن باردٌ. The milk is cold. Very good. Okay, number 5, Fazia.
Al-masjidu maftuhun.
Maf.
The mosque
Maftu.
maftuhun.
Mhm.
The mosque is open.
Very good. Al-masjidu, the mosque. Maftuhun, the mosque is open. Maftuhun is open. Very good. Okay, Zarina, this one, number 6, this one.
Okay, number 6. Al-Masjidun?
No, this one.
Oh, okay. Al, okay. Al-Hajj. Okay. Hajarun.
Al-hajaru.
Hajarun. I went to it, but you forget. Hajarun.
Al-hajaru.
Hajaru.
Everyone go slowly.
Okay.
Look, you see here, it's only one.
Hajaru.
You see, it's only one unsa, one u sound. Al-hajaru.
Hajaru. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Al-Hajaru.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Keep going. Fazia? Is she with us?
Okay. Al-hajaru.
Wait, who was reading before? Fazia, right?
Zarina was
Oh,
reading.
Oh, Zarina, sorry. Zarina, go ahead, continue.
Yes, I know Kabirun is big, but let me see. Al Hajarun. I know I went over that word. Hajarun.
Al-hajaru. Al-hajaru. Mhm.
Yeah,
It's okay. What is kabir? First, what is kabir?
I know that's
Kabirun.
big. I
Big.
remember that. Big.
Good.
Kabir. Hajaru.
Who can help her?
Stone.
The stone.
Stone or rock.
Oh,
The
yeah.
stone is big.
Hajaru. Yeah, that's the stone. Hajaru.
The stone.
Hajuru Kabirun. The stone is big.
Big.
Good.
Yeah.
Yes. The stone is big. Very good.
Hajaru.
Very, very good. Okay. So I'm going to erase this now. I think we should go to the next. Let me see. 1 second. Let's finish it. Let's just finish it. It's okay. All right, so very good. Let's continue. Who's next? I think Halima is next. This one, please.
Albanu Baridu Wal Ma'u Hajrun.
No.
Uh,
Al-labanu. Slowly. Everyone go
Al-labanu.
slowly. Everyone go slowly. Al-labanu baridun.
Al-labanu Baridu. The milk.
Dun.
Dun. Wal Ma'u Harun. The
Very,
milk
very
is hot.
Very good. So the first one, let's do the first one.
Al-Bainu.
Al-labanu. What is al-labanu?
Milk. Al-labanu baridun. Al-labanu baridun. Wal ma'u harun. The milk
Harun.
is harun. The milk is hot.
Okay, the first one is what?
Milk.
The milk is what?
The milk is hot.
No.
Opposite of
Opposite.
The milk is cold and
Cold.
ma'u harun. Harun is hot.
And what is ma?
Ma.
I remember your mother ma is water.
And the water is hot. Maru. Wal ma'u harun. Wal ma'u Wal ma'u harun, hot. The water is hot.
Very, very good. Very good. So the milk is cold and the water is hot. اللبن بارد والماء حار. Very good. The milk is cold and the water is hot. That was a long one. There's another long one. Kawthar, you got the next one, the longest one.
المهندس
Su. Su.
شو
Su. Mhm.
المهندس
Not shu, because there's a difference between this one and this one. This one is a S sound, and this is like a sh.
آه.
So this one, muhandisu. It's not muhandishu. That's wrong. Okay? There's a difference between
It's
two.
it's seen.
Seen, right? It's this sound. There's no sh sound. Okay?
Yeah, المهندس سو
Very good.
جالس
Very good.
جالس
Very good.
ولو درسوا و والدرس
والمدرس.
والمدرس fun.
This one I know there's like a mistake here. This kasra should be over here. So let me erase that.
Okay.
That's a mistake. Okay.
واقف
Waqifun.
واقف.
Very good. Okay, so
means standing, right? I think.
right. So Kauthar, can you translate?
The teacher.
Who can help him? Al-Muhandis. What is Muhandis? Who can help him?
Muhandis, I know it, I forget.
Al-Muhandis is the engineer.
Oh, engineer, something.
Muhandis.
That's the new word. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, it is there in 19.
Okay, so Kauthar.
Sitting.
Halison, right? Is
Jalisun.
sitting. Engineer. Jalison. Engineer is sitting. And
Al-Mudaris. What is Al-Mudaris?
The
You said
teacher.
it very good.
Yeah. The teacher. Teacher is
the opposite of sitting.
Standing.
Very good. Okay. The engineer is sitting and the teacher is standing. Al-Muhandisu jalisun. The engineer is sitting. Wal-Mudarrisu waqifun. And the teacher is standing. Okay, very good, Kauthar. Okay, next one, number 9. Fazia.
Al-Qamaru ba'idun. But I don't remember the meaning.
The first word? Do you know the first word?
No, I forgot the meaning.
Okay, does anyone know? Who would like to help her? Al-Qamaru is the moon.
The moon.
Qamaru, I didn't learn that word.
And ba'idu, is that far?
Yes.
Ba'idu, the moon is far.
Very good. Al-Qamaru ba'idun. The moon is far. Okay, very good. Okay, Zorina.
Yeah, which one?
This one, number 10.
The last one.
Okay. Mendilun.
Mendilu.
Lendilu. yeah, Mendilu. I know Mendilu, but let's remember what is it now?
Mm-hmm.
Talvifun.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What's the first one?
Mendilan. You know, I learned that, but
Who can help her?
The kerchief?
Apple?
The
Is it
kerchief.
apple?
No, not
No.
apple.
No,
The
no,
The
handkerchief
no, no.
or
kerchief.
handkerchief or
Yeah.
napkin, same thing.
Yeah, napkin, handkerchief.
Mm-hmm.
It's dirty.
The
Opposite of dirty.
Clean.
Clean.
Yeah,
The kerchief is clean.
Yes.
Nafifun. Oh, really bad.
Very good.
Nafifun.
Al-mindilu nadhifun. The napkin is clean. Okay?
Okay.
Very,
So
very
you can
good.
say kerchief or napkin?
Same thing, same meaning in English.
Okay.
Okay, everyone did very, very good. I'm very happy for that. It's
We're
okay
a
if we
little
don't know.
slow. We're a
No,
little
no
slow.
Yeah,
problem.
we gotta go. These words, you know, some of them they have similar rune
Right.
and bone. You gotta remember.
Right. No problem if
Yeah.
we don't know the
Okay.
vocabulary. It's no problem. But the idea is to know the vocabulary. For example, let's look here. Al-maktabu. When we see alif lam, then that means what? We have to make it one dhamma. That's very important. It's not al-maktabun. It's
Yeah.
al-maktabu. And then when what we're describing is going to be dhammatain, right? For the blank is blank. All right.
Yes.
Takes time.
No.
Just that's why I usually for homework I always tell everyone just review. I find review more better. I see
Absolutely.
I
Yes.
find that like the next week the students are more stronger and everything. Because if I give like exercises, you know, they might make mistakes and they might not know what mistakes they're doing. But if they just review their notes, it comes more better. But inshallah, takes time. So I'll erase this. Is that okay if I erase it? Anyone?
Yeah. Yeah. The
Yes.
lettering.
Yes. Naam.
No. Okay. All right. So let's see. Because this is a long chapter, actually. We should be getting into the other half at least. I don't want to stay another day,
Yeah.
week on the same one. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Since it's very long, we're gonna do more examples, but we're gonna skip some, okay? Because it'll be too long. So we'll just do a few, and I'll just skip some, or I'll do them, okay? So for this activity, we're gonna fill in the blanks. They give us a blank. They give us one word, but we have to complete it. So I'll do wait. They give us some words. So we have
Words
to
on
pick
the
which
top.
one. Right. These. We have to pick which ones for the sentences. So we're making sentences. Okay, so I'll do the first one. All right. So al-hajaru. Remember what was that? Al-hajaru.
The stone. The stone.
The stone. So I have khafifun, I have thaqilun, I have harun, I have maftuhun, wasikhun, jamilun. So what is good? Al-hajaru.
Thaqilun is heavy. The stone is heavy.
Very good. Thaqilun. Al-hajaru thaqilun. Very good. So we crossed that out. Okay, so number 2, I'll go in order, my list, Fazia.
Al-babun.
Al-babu.
Al-babu. The door, and it's got to be open, so it would be maftihun. Maftuhun.
Very good.
The door is open.
Very good. Maftuhun. The door is open. Good. So we crossed that one out. Al-qamaru. Zorina.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
one.
Yes. Al-qamaru.
What is qamar?
What's qamaru?
Al-qamaru. What is that?
If I remember, I know I went over those words. It's just.
Who can help her? It's okay. Who can help her?
Moon. Qamaru is moon?
Yes, the moon. So al-qamaru, what would be a good word to use here?
Oh, it's all right. So where are the words?
The words over here.
At the
We have
top.
khafifun, harun, wasikhun, jamilun.
Jamilun, the moon is beautiful.
Beautiful, right?
Jamilun is beautiful. Yeah,
Good.
I remember that.
Good. Al-qamaru jamilun.
Jamilun, the moon is beautiful.
Good. Al-qamaru jamilun. The moon is beautiful. Good. So we crossed that out. Okay, Halima, this one number 4.
Al-Waraku.
What is a waraqu?
I
Yes,
forgot.
standing. Warad.
Anyone
forgot.
know? It can mean paper or it can mean a leaf. So paper, we'll use paper here.
Paper. Yeah,
The
paper.
paper.
Yes, paper.
We have khafifun, we have harun, we have wasikhun.
Okay, yeah, that's paper. Wonderful.
Khafifun.
Khafifun. Al-waraqu khafifun. And what does that mean?
The paper is white.
Not white. Light. Al-waraqu khafifun. The paper is light.
Khafifun.
Good. Cross that out. Okay, Kauthar, last one. Number 5, sorry.
Al-Mindilu.
What is al-mindilu?
Handkerchief, even.
Handkerchief or napkin?
Handkerchief, yeah.
Napkin, same thing. So we have harun and we have wasikhun. Which one should it be?
Wasikhun.
Good. Wasikhun. What does that mean?
Queen. No, that's nothing.
And what would this sentence be?
No, wasikhun is dirty. Kerchief is dirty.
Good. Good. The handkerchief is dirty. Very good. And I'll do the last one. Al-labanu. Al-labanu, the milk. And there's only one thing left. Harun.
Where is it? Oh, labanu, milk.
Hot. The milk is hot.
Hot. Good. The milk is hot. Very good. See? Everyone is got it, understands it. It's okay if we make mistakes. It's normal. There's even more examples, but we have. Yeah, you know what? We'll just skip this. It's okay. We'll just skip it. We have to continue. All right, these are new words. Okay, that's good. I like that.
Yeah, what page?
22.
22.
Okay, so we're gonna skip this. We're gonna skip this, and we're just gonna read some of these, and I'll do some of them. Okay. Or we'll just skip them. It's no problem. Okay,
Good
so
to read it, if you could read it. What page are we on?
We're on 21.
21. Okay.
Has anyone did the vocabulary?
We did, but we can't remember.
It's a lot to remember.
You get mixed up, you get confused, you forget.
We need to associate it with something to help us remember.
All right, maybe flashcards. Because I'm just afraid of just reading them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm afraid of just reading them and then it just becomes like vacuum memory. You know? That's what I fear. Like if I just read everything out and then it's just gonna come in and out.
Well, just so we get the correct pronunciation.
Right. That's why I prefer everyone to read at least, you know?
Yes.
It's better to read. Okay, so I'll participate too. It's okay. So we can save time. Okay, so I'll do number 1. An-najmu ba'idun. An-najmu.
What page is that?
21 at the bottom.
21.
Oh, the bottom? Okay, I see it. Nudge.
An-najmu ba'idun. The star is far. Okay, I'll also do the second one. Arajulu waqifun. The man is standing. Okay, very good. Okay, Fazia, can you do number 3?
Al Sukuru.
Sukaru.
She made it.
Sukaru.
Al Sukaru.
Mhm.
Husu. Al
Hul.
Sukar.
Hul.
It was by heart right now, that one.
Hulwu.
Hulwun.
Hulwun.
Mhm. And what would that be?
That's a new word. So I don't know that one.
The
Like she
sugar.
know the first one. She know the sugar. She know that.
Oh, the sugar is
The
sweet.
sugar.
The sugar
Yeah, she knows
is sweet.
sugar.
Sweet. Yeah.
Sweet. Well,
Yeah.
sweet. Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Okay. The sugar is sweet. As-sukaru hulwun.
Mm. I know.
Okay. Next one. Zarina, number 4.
Oh, the table. Talibun. Okay. Talibun. All or Talibun. Student. Talibun.
The student.
Student. Talibun.
Mhm.
Mufridun.
Maridun. Maridun.
Mufridun. Oh,
Ma.
okay. I know. I look over that word, Maridun. I
Someone is
know that
calling me.
trick. I know that. I know Spanish word mean husband. I should have known that.
No, a student.
Marido is Spanish is husband, but that's sick. I know sick.
Sick.
Yes,
Sick.
yes, 6.
Yeah, sick. Yeah, I should have known that. Maridon is sick. I should know that.
The student is sick.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, the student's sick. I shouldn't know that.
It's okay. Okay. Halima, number 5.
Aldilu Jamilun. I know
Adiku.
Diku. Dikan is teacher.
No.
I remember we associated with deacon.
Adiku. It's a different word. Diku. Adiku.
Jamilun is beautiful.
Who can help her?
The rooster is
The
beautiful.
Rooster is beautiful.
Good, because I said that's very far from teacher.
All of that you should know, deacon. Yeah.
That's very far from teacher. You don't want to call the teacher that. You know? Okay, the rooster is beautiful. Very good. Okay, Kausar, number 6.
Adaftaru. Aldaftaru.
Adaftaru.
Adaftaru Hadidun. Doctor. The doctor. No.
No. Who can help him?
Jadidun is new. I know Jadidun is new. And
the notebook.
The notebook. Okay. Oh, I thought like Kitabun.
Yeah, kitab is book, and daftaru is notebook. Like notebook. You know, like student has a notebook. Daftaru. Okay, I'll do the next one. At-tajiru ghaniyun. At-tajiru ghaniyun. The businessman
is rich.
Businessman. You know Ghanaian because Ghanaian is rich. Ghanaian, so we must remember Ghanaian. Okay, we are all Ghanaian.
Okay, the businessman or the merchant is rich. I also do the next one. Ad-dukanu maftuhun. Ad-dukanu maftuhun. The store is open. Okay, I'll also do the next one. Al-waladu faqirun. Al-waladu faqirun. The boy.
Boy is poor.
The boy is poor.
Poor. No fakirun is poor.
Faqirun. The boy is poor.
And I know as Ghani is rich and Ghanaian, and I know rich and poor.
Yeah.
All right.
التفاح لذيذ. التفاح لذيذ. The apple.
I gotta learn all those words.
The apple is delicious. Okay?
Done.
All right, so let's keep going because we only have 20 minutes left. Okay, so we'll skip this. It's okay. We'll also skip this. It's all right. It's the same words we did in asking us just to complete the sentences. Okay, we could do this really quickly before we get to the next one. Okay, let's do this quickly. This one. So they're telling us to match the following. So we have to do like this, which ones. Okay, so I'll do the first one. الطالب. Okay, which one should it be? لذيذ مكسور ثقيل مفتوح مريض حار. الطالب مريض.
I know Marita is sick. I
Sick.
can't forget. I know that's it's a Spanish word. It means a different thing, husband. But I
Yeah.
should remember that, Marita.
Yeah. الطالب مريض. The student is sick. Okay, Fazia number 2. الدكان. What did we say it was?
Wait, what page is that?
23.
23.
Al-Dukanu. I forgot already.
Store.
Where is it?
The store, right?
The store. Very good, Kauthar. The store. Okay, so which one of these should it be?
The store should be open.
Open or close.
Let me see.
Which word is that?
We use
Who
door.
can help her?
The door is open.
Marigon.
No, we did Maridun. Maridun is sick.
Sick.
We
I
did.
remember that. I know that is a Spanish word. I know that.
The store is what?
Maktuhun.
Maftuhun. Very, very good.
Maktuhun.
And what is maftuhun?
Open.
Open. Good. Ad-dukanu maftuhun. The store is open. Very good. Zarina, next one. This one.
Which one is it?
This
The
one.
third one.
Third. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Tafhun.
Tufahu.
Two is a two. Two is a tana. Tufhun.
At-tufahu. At-tufahu.
At-tufahu.
At-tufahu is the apple.
Sweet. This sweet.
Okay.
Gotta be
Which one would be sweet? Or delicious?
Whole one or
Delicious.
Sorry?
whole one is sweet.
Yes, but there's no hulun here. We have to pick which one of these. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Is it ladidun,
The
maksurun?
first
Where the
one.
words are.
The first one.
Ladi. Yeah.
Ladidun, delicious. At-tufahu ladidun. Okay. So the next one, Halima.
Maktu.
Al-ma'u.
Al-ma'u. I'm not sure what ma'u is.
The water.
The water is hot.
Good.
Or
and which one would
cold.
that be?
Hajrun.
No. Hot is harun. Right here.
Harun. I was
The
saying
water
it wrong.
is hot.
Harun.
Yeah, Harun is easy to remember.
Harun. The water is hot.
is hot. Okay, I'll do the next one. Al-hajaru. Which one should it be? There's only 2 left. Maksurun or thaqilun? Thaqilun is heavy.
Thaqil, heavy.
Right.
The
stone.
The stone is heavy.
The stone is heavy.
Good. And then the last one, al-qalamu is pen. The pen.
The pen.
The pen.
The
Maksurun.
pen is broken.
Broken.
The pen is
Very
broken. Maksurun.
Very good. Okay, very good. Any questions before we move on? Now we're going to go to the other half of the chapter. If there's anyone, does anyone have any questions so far?
we just got to go over those words and get more familiar with them.
Right. No problem. It's okay. I know it takes time to memorize, but just keep reviewing every day and it'll become easy, inshallah.
Every day you got to.
All right. So after we complete this, after I explain this, then we're done with the chapter. Okay. This is very, very important in Arabic. Okay. Okay.
Which
So
moon letters. Okay,
yeah, the moon letters, the moon letters, and the sun letters. So alif lam in Arabic, which is the, right?
Yeah.
The is split up into two sections in Arabic. Okay. We have the first section and the second section. So let's look at the first section first. The first section here, al-huruf al-qamariyya. Al-huruf al-qamariyya. So that is the moon letters.
The moon letters, okay. Al-haruku.
I'm writing it. The moon letters. Al-huruf al-qamariyya. Those are the moon letters. Now, what is the moon letters? So what do we do? When we pronounce a word with alif lam with the, we have to pronounce it, the alif lam, clearly. So for example, do you want me to zoom in? Does anyone want me to zoom in? I feel like I should zoom in.
We have the book. We're following with the book.
Okay,
So
okay,
it's
good.
okay.
Okay, look, so look at number 1, alif, right? So all of these letters all of them, to the end of on this half section, al-huruf al-qamariyya, all these letters, we all have to pronounce the alif lam clearly. So for example, let's look at number 1, alif. Abu. Abu, the father. Abu. Sorry, the father. I'm spelling it wrong. The father. Number 2. Okay, look at number 2. Ba. Babu. Babu. The door. Babu. Okay. Number 3. Jannatu. Jannatu. The Jannah, the paradise. Jannah. So you see, I'm pronouncing the alif lam clearly. Look at ha, number 4 here. Himaru. Himaru. The donkey. Number 5. Ha. Khubzu. Khubzu. So all of them, I'm pronouncing them clearly. The alif lam clearly. You can hear the alif lam, L, right? So let me complete reading out the rest of them. Ain. Ainu. The eye. Ainu. The eye. Gha. Ghada'u. Ghada'u. The lunch. Fa. Famu. Famu. The mouth. Qaf. Qamaru. Qamaru. The moon. Kaf. Kalbu. Kalbu. The dog.
The dog.
Okay. Mim. Ma'u. Ma'u. The water. Wow. Waladu. Waladu. The boy. Sorry. Hawa'u. Hawa'u. The air. The air environment. Yeah, I think it's the last one. Yeah, last one. Yeah. Yadu. Yadu. The hand. Okay, so for all of these, 14 letters on this side, I'm all pronouncing the L sound. I'm pronouncing this L sound. Okay? Is that clear so far?
Naam.
Okay.
Naam.
And as for the other half, the other section of the alif lam letters is called al-huruf al-shamsiyya, the sun letters. The sun letters. So what do we do for the sun letters? This is very important, okay? You're not pronouncing the alif lam clearly. It's like we're erasing this letter, and we're just jumping to the next one. The first letter, and we're going to jump to the third letter. See, I'm going to do it for this one too. I'm erasing it, and we're all jumping to the third letter. So from the first letter to the third letter, we're going to jump. I'm going to pronounce it. Okay, look at number one. Ta, ta. Attajiru, attajiru, attajiru. You see? I am not saying el tajiru. No, that's wrong. So you do not say el tajiru. No. You say attajiru. It's like you jump. Okay? Is that clear so far?
No.
Same. Okay, look at tha. Athobu, athobu, athobu. See? I am not saying el thobu. No. Do not say it like that. You say athobu. So you jump from the first letter to the third. Athobu. Dal. Look at dal. Sorry, someone is missing. Okay. Dal. Addiku. Addiku. So you do not say el diku. No. Addiku. Addiku. It's like I'm erasing this, just jumping straight to that one.
So
Okay.
instead of saying al, you say at. Is that what you're saying?
It's
At or at?
it depends on
Here,
which it depends on the sound of each letter here, because all of them are different sounding letters. So it's like you just jump to the letter from the first letter to the third.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that in the shortcut? Can we assume that the W at the top of the third letter is an indication for sun letters?
Oh, you mean the shidda, right? That's a good one.
Shidda, yeah.
Very good,
yeah.
very good. That is an indicator. That's a strong indicator that it's going to be a moon. It's going to be a sun letter. Very good.
Sun letter. Yeah.
But when you read like this, look, you see, I have an Arabic book right here, right? I have an Arabic book. Sometimes it doesn't even have that. So when you get used to the Arabic, when you get used to reading Arabic, you don't even see the shidda, but you would know it automatically. Okay?
Understood. Yeah.
See, for example, I'm just opening up the book. Look, I see one right here. It does not have nothing. It doesn't even have a shidda. It doesn't have the vowels, but I could read it because I was able to know. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So is that clear so far before I read the rest of the letters? Is anyone confused?
So in order to recognize the sun letters, you said there's the shadda, and is there anything else that we can recognize the sun letters, or we just have to memorize it?
It's about memorization, but I'll tell you, and the shidda, but I'll tell you the reason why it's like that. Does anyone know the reason why? Because the reason why is because in Arabic, the Arabs in the past they did this so it can make it easier on the tongue. For example, at-tajiru, the first one, at-tajiru. Look how it's more smoother on the tongue. At-tajiru, at-tajiru. But if I say el-tajiru, it's slower. You see how it's slower? El-tajiru. But if I say at-tajiru, it's smoother on the tongue. Doesn't it sound smoother?
Yes.
At-thobu, at-thobu. Because it's right on the tongue, tip of the tongue. At-thobu, it's quicker. But if I say al-thobu, it's slower and it's harder. It sounds harder. Just try it. Al-thobu. Al-thobu. But if I say athobu, it's faster, you see? It's faster because depending on the location of the tongue for the letter, it makes it more easier to pronounce. Okay? That's another indicator. But you know tajweed, right? I think some of you have studied tajweed. You know, like each letter has different locations, right?
Uh-huh.
For example, ta is here, tha is here, dal is there. All of them are like close to the tip of the tongue.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it's easier that way. So that's another indicator. Okay. See, look at these letters. Look at the ayn. Ayn is all the way over here. You see? Kha is all the way over here. Ha is all the way over here. But all these letters are all mainly close to the tip of the tongue. All right? Is that clear?
No.
No. All right. Anyone else has any questions? No problem. If you ask me a million questions, it's okay. It's clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll read out the rest. Okay. Number 4, الذهب, الذهب, which is the gold. الرجل, 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 the man. Oh, sorry, the man. الزهرة, الزهرة, flower, the flower. I'm not writing the just to save time. Okay.
It's okay.
Next one. Seen. السمك, السمك, fish. الشمس, الشمس, sun, the sun. الصدر, الصدر, chest, the chest. ضاد. الضيف, الضيف, the guest. طاء. الطالب, الطالب, the student. You guys know this one. Okay. You see, everyone was pronouncing talib, right? We did this. We read this many times.
Yes.
Right? We read this many times. So we say at-talibu, at-talibu. We do not say al-talibu, no. Some of you have read it like that, but I didn't want to confuse you. I knew that this is going to be coming soon. So you saw how I might have corrected some of you, and maybe you got confused. Why am I reading it like that? But this is the reason why, okay? Dha, الظهر. Oh, what is this one? Dhu or Dhuhr? Dhuhr. Dhuhr, which means the prayer time. Dhuhr time, in the afternoon, 12 o'clock or so. Dhuhr. Al-lahmu, al-lahmu, the meat. Meat. Al-najmu, al-najmu. We read this, right? Al-najmu. What is it?
Star.
Oh, good. So an-najmu, we do not say al-najmu, no. An-najmu, right? Just like that. All right, very good. Any questions? Any questions?
So it's showing all the moon letters and all the sun letter like Aleph, Ba, Jim, Ha, and so on. So it's showing it so we can tell which one is the moon and which one is the sun.
Right. So look how I put this in half. So all this is the moon letters, and then all these are the sun.
So there's 14 moon and 14 sun.
Right.
Right. Let me see. Yeah. 14, 14. But as Kauthar said, there is a shidda. You see how there's a shidda here? So it's going to help you. But once we know Arabic, it's not going to have it no more. You're just going to know automatically. But when you start reading, it comes automatically. You would know just by like how I said, most of these letters are closer in the tongue, and they're not like over here and stuff like that. So you know automatically. Inshallah. All right. So, okay. So I like this example. I like this exercise. Let's do it. Oh, we have 5 minutes left. Very good. So we can complete it. Let me just see. 1 second. Okay. Lesson 4. No, we'll save that for next week, inshallah ta'ala. But we'll do this together. Okay. So wait. Okay. Read and write them down. Okay. We don't have to write them down. We'll just read them. So it's good for practice for everyone to read them. Okay. So just read and translate. I'll do the first one. L, you see how it says, see how it has this sukoon on it? There's a sukoon on this lam. So I will pronounce it, L. El Beitu, the house. Okay? Next, okay, so the next one, Fazia. Read and translate.
Aldorica. Aldorico.
I'm sorry, where are you reading?
I may be reading the bottom or the one below you want?
This one, this one.
Okay. It's Aldico. Aldico.
Adiku.
Adiku.
Very good.
Adiku.
Yes, like this. Adiku. Very good. And what does that mean?
Rooster. The rooster.
Very good. The rooster. Very good. Okay, next one. I'm going in order by my list. Halima.
Al-Mudarrusun.
Al-Mudarri.
Al-Mudarrusu.
Al-Mudarrisu.
Mudarrisu. Al-Mudarrisu.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
The
What does that mean?
student.
No,
The
not
student.
student. No,
The teacher.
Teacher.
the teacher.
The teacher. Mudarrisu.
Very good. Next one, Kauthar.
Me? Who?
Kauthar.
Al-Babu.
Mm-hmm.
Al-Babu, the door.
The door. Very good. Okay, Zarina.
Al Talibu. Talibu is Talibu, right, student?
It's
Talibu.
remember, it's not. Remember how they have the shidda here to help you. It's not L.
It said Talibu.
At-talibu.
Talibu.
At-talibu. And what is that?
A student.
The student.
Um,
As we see here, you see how this letter ta? Let's look at it.
Yeah.
Which one should it belong to? Is it the moon or is it the sun letter?
The
Slow.
sun.
The sun.
The sun letter.
Yeah,
Right,
yeah.
right here. So it's right here. So it comes under the category of pronouncing it like at-talibu, erasing this. So at-talibu. So we do not say al-talibu, no.
Talibu. Yeah.
Okay, very, very good. Next one, Fazia, this one.
Okay. Usukaru. Sugar.
Say it again, sorry.
Usukaru.
Close.
Sugar.
There's no u sound. There's no u sound. It's a us.
Okay,
It's a us sound.
Asukaru.
Very good. Asukaru. Asukaru.
Sugar.
Sugar, the sugar. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, next one, Halima.
So it's Ad-Duftaru.
Def.
Ad-Daftaru.
Adaftaru.
Ad-Daftaru. Ad-Daftaru. I know we just did it and I forgot it already.
Who can help her? Anyone know? Everyone forgot?
Everybody forgot.
We just did it. Notebook.
Or journal. No,
Notebook.
journal.
Or notebook.
The notebook? Okay.
Yeah, we just did it.
No
Okay.
problem. Okay, next. Who's next? Who just went? Sorry?
Halima.
Halim. Okay, Kauthar is the next on my list. Kauthar, do this one, please.
Okay.
Mhm.
Allahu.
Very good.
Allahu, yeah.
And what is that? Who can help me?
Meat or something?
Sorry?
No, that's it. Meat or something?
No,
right?
no. The brother.
Oh, brother.
The brother.
I think, and anyone who's from New York, you hear the young people, they say ak. It's
Aki,
actually,
yeah.
they say,
Aki.
the young guys, even who are not Muslim, they say to each other ak, right? Ak.
Mhm.
You know, it comes from akh. Because, you know, a lot of Yemeni people, they work as the people working in the delis. So, like, people who are not Muslim, they don't know that there's a sound, so they just say ak, right? So they say ak, but it really comes from Arabic, brother, akh. Very interesting. All right, I'll do the next one. الرسول الرسول the messenger. The messenger. Oh, we're out of time. If it's okay, we could just finish this up and then we can go. Is that okay? Anyone who
Yeah.
needs to go can go. I'll do the next one too. Al-wajhu. Al-wajhu. The face. The face. Okay. Next one. Who's next? Fazi. Oh, Zarina, right?
Okay, this one I don't pronounce. Sadiq. Sadiq.
We have to pronounce the alif.
Sod.
The sword.
Sadiq.
We're saying it with alif lam. If we just say Sadiq, that means something, right?
Yeah.
But we're saying everything is L. Alif lam.
As-Sadiqu. As-Sadiqu.
Very good. As-Sadiqu. Very good. And what is that?
If I remember now. Gosh.
Friend. The friend.
Like the what?
The friend.
That's a new word for us,
Oh, that's a
Sadiq.
new one. Oh, we didn't know Sadiqu.
Friend. But friend here, this friend is referring to a male. If you want to say a female friend, Sadiqa. But we're going to talk about that in the future, inshallah. Sadiqa. That means friend, but referring to F-R-I-E-N-D. Referring to a female. Sadiqa. But we'll talk about that in the future chapters, inshallah. Next one. I'll read the next one. I'll read these three.
Al-Qur'anu.
Yes.
The
Al-Qur'anu.
Quran.
Al-Qur'an. The Quran. As-salatu. As-salatu. The prayer.
The prayer.
Al-Ka'bah. Al-Ka'batu. The
The
Kaaba.
Kaaba.
Good. I'll read. Okay, go ahead, Fazia. Next one.
Okay. Ar-Ra'usu. Ar-Ra'usu.
Ra. There's like a sukoon on a hamza, so it's like ra.
Ar-Ra'u.
Ar-ra'su.
Ar-Ra'su.
And what is that?
Some of these you can't tell the vowel because it's so small.
Right. Yeah. Even for me, it's very small.
Yeah, I have to use a magnifying glass.
Yeah, it's small even for me. Yeah. Head.
Yeah.
Ar-ra'su is head.
Okay.
The head.
Head? Okay, the head.
Next one, Halima.
Isba'u. Al-Isba'u.
Very good. Al-isbaru. And what is that?
I'm not
Oh,
sure.
sorry, I made a mistake. Al-isbaru. Al-isbaru means the finger.
The finger.
Finger. Next one. Who's next? Halima, you went, right?
I just went, yeah.
Okay. Kauthar, next one.
Asabunu.
Good. What is that? Soap.
Soap. Those are new
Soap.
words.
Yeah.
So,
Zarina, next one.
okay. This is the name of it. Okay. Fajr.
No.
Oh.
No, the word before it.
Is a
Oh.
the. The.
The one before Fajr.
Zafru. Azafru.
Sorry, let her. Sorry, say it again.
Zafru.
Al-dhufr. Very good.
Al-Dhufru.
And do you know? Fingernail.
Like me? Fingernail.
Nail.
Zufru.
Yeah, fingernail. I'll read the rest. It's okay. Al-fajru. Fajr, the prayer time.
Fajr prayer. Okay.
Al-dhuhru. Dhuhr prayer.
Dhuhr prayer.
Dhuhr prayer. Al-asru.
And also prayer.
Asr prayer.
Yeah.
Al-maghribu. Maghrib prayer. and Al-Isha. Al-Isha. Isha prayer. Okay. So I'm gonna erase this if that's okay.
In a almost.
Sorry. Okay, so we completed this chapter, alhamdulillah. It was a long one, but it's okay.
Yes.
So next week we'll do lesson 4 and we'll start with lesson 4 inshallah. So you all did very, very well. I'm very happy about that. Is there any questions before we wrap up for today?
Which lesson do you want us to review for next week?
3.
3, the
Chapter
whole
3. Chapter 3 vocabulary. That's homework.
Okay.
Review it and review the Alif Lam.
The sun and the
review
moon?
this, yeah. So review chapter page 24 and 27.
24 and 27.
But also review everything we learned. Like also look
Okay.
into it, yeah. But make sure 27 and 24 for sure.
Okay.
Like really try to understand those 2 pages.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay, is there any questions? Anyone have any questions?
La.
Okay. Thank you very much for participating, inshallah. So I'll see you all next week, inshallah. Jazakumullah khairan.
Inshallah.
Jazakallah khairan.
Assalamu
Assalamu
alaikum.
alaikum.